Cayenne pepper is pretty much the master of all herbs. The hot red pepper has been used for thousands of years for healing and has produced incredible results in treating baffling symptoms. Cayenne has been used to help relieve migraines, reduce cholesterol, alleviate asthma symptoms, fight infections, stop a heart attack, indigestion, and much more. One of the most incredible realizations in regards to the use of cayenne pepper is the fact it can stop bleeding in as little as 10 seconds. When you have a small cut, and it starts oozing blood, which causes panic and fear, there is a first aid thing you can do to help yourself. Cayenne pepper is a plant that you should always have in your medicine cabinet, even if it's not in your kitchen, and a necessary part of your emergency first aid kit. This comes as a result of recent research findings that prove cayenne pepper to possess many exceptional health and medicinal benefits, including prevention of heart attack, cold, and prevention of bleeding. So, if you are in this situation, you should take a little cayenne pepper powder and put it directly into the bleeding cut or laceration. The bleeding should stop within 10 to 15 seconds. Cayenne is in fact a powerful styptic, which means it is a substance able to stop bleeding when applied to a wound. It does a quick equalization of blood pressure and blood clotting starts. Apart from stopping the bleeding quickly, it also disinfects, so it prevents infections. In case of a larger wound, take a teaspoon of red pepper powder, dispersed in a glass of warm water, and drink it quickly. The cayenne powder should be reserved for smaller cuts and scrapes, however. It's very powerful, but it will not burn. Although cayenne is a spicy herb, people have reported that cayenne powder does not sting when it's directly applied to an open wound. What gives cayenne the ability to stop bleeding is the substance called styptic, which stops blood when applied to a wound. Not only does cayenne stop bleeding, but it disinfects the cut, easing your worries for any potential infections that may arise. So, the next time you stock up your first aid cabinet, add some good quality cayenne pepper powder. You will want to get the best, natural cayenne pepper, so stop by your local health food store.